Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a truly fascinating gadget that promises to revolutionize how we capture and share our memories. The Minolta MNCP10-CH Instapix 2-in-1 instant print digital camera and Bluetooth printer in a sleek charcoal finish. This isn't just another instant camera, it's a versatile powerhouse designed for the modern creator. Right off the bat, what impresses is its dual functionality. Imagine having a digital camera and a high-quality instant printer, all packed into one incredibly portable device. This little marvel lets you point, shoot, and have a physical print in your hand in under 50 seconds. The prints themselves are a convenient 2.1 x 3.4 credit card size, perfect for wallets, scrapbooks, or sharing on the spot. The secret to their vibrant quality lies in the 4-pass D2T2 dye sublimation technology, which renders every image in a stunning 16.7 million colors with incredible detail. Plus, the all-in-one ink and paper cartridge makes the printing process wonderfully straightforward. But the Instapix doesn't stop there. Its Bluetooth connectivity truly elevates the experience. You can effortlessly send photos to your iOS or Android smart device, where the free Minolta Instapix app opens up a world of possibilities. Not only can you control the camera remotely, but you can also dive into extensive editing, add fun filters, and even print any image directly from your phone. This means your favorite shots from your smartphone gallery can instantly become tangible keepsakes. Despite its robust features, the design remains remarkably compact. Weighing just 0.82 pounds and measuring 5.25 x 3.1 x 1.5 inches, it slips easily into a pocket, bag, or backpack, making it an ideal companion for any adventure. On the camera side, it boasts a clear 1.7 LCD viewfinder, along with essential features like autofocus, exposure, white balance, and gamma correction, ensuring your shots are always looking their best. The Live View special feature is also a welcome addition for framing those perfect moments. For those who love to personalize their creations, the Instapix offers endless editing capabilities. Whether it's normal prints, creative borders, or even ID photos, this device empowers users to explore and share their passion. It's perfect for capturing selfies, portraits, and landscapes, then instantly sharing them in person, via text, or across social media. This Minolta Instapix truly bridges the gap between digital convenience and the tangible joy of instant prints, making it a fantastic tool for anyone looking to bring their memories to life.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.